Welcome back. Well, it looks like we're going to finish off this week on a cloudy note, 5 days in a row, but it looks like the sun will come back out as we head into the weekend. So let's take a look at the big pattern here, the upper level pattern, big ridge of high pressure over Mexico. That's moving eastward, but around the periphery of that high, we're seeing plenty of high clouds, a little bit of a subtropical jet streamlet, we could call it, producing plenty of high clouds that are already arcing toward Acadiana and Louisiana. Surface low pressure out as we look at the upper parts of the atmosphere east of Florida. There's a tropical system, a new one to talk about, and our next weather maker back here in the Pacific. That's going to bring our next chance of showers and storms this time around on Monday. As we look at the big picture across the lower 48, we have a little bit of a frontal trough through the nation's midsection, producing some snow in the northwestern Colorado Rockies and some rain as you get down into Arizona. Meanwhile, those high clouds arcing over us. We have that area of low pressure that's pretty much a naked low right now, just a swirl of clouds out here in the Gulf of Mexico. But boy, it made it rough out in the Gulf for several days, and this low pressure system developed in South Florida last night and brought very heavy rainfall, tropical storm conditions to Florida, and still dumping on Florida from about the Space Center on northward all the way up through Jacksonville. Meanwhile, for us, we're socked in with the stratiform low-level clouds. They're moving in from the northeast to the southwest, and then we have these high clouds coming in from the west. So more cloud cover, more mist probably in the forecast tonight, maybe tomorrow morning. But then we do think at least the lower clouds will begin to burn off, and those higher clouds will thin a little bit. Might see a few breaks of sunshine tomorrow, but don't get too excited for it quite yet. Saturday, though, looking much better. Again, not picking up much. I have the Doppler tuned to very sensitive, and we're just getting ground clutter right now, but there's mist in spots across Acadiana. So as we put the map in motion, here's the graph model through tomorrow morning. We keep the cloud cover. Temperatures stay on the mild side. Then tomorrow afternoon, mid to upper 70s, the graph model may be too aggressive on those temperatures, but nonetheless, we'll go for mid 70s. Frontal trough works its way on through. It's going to be a little bit breezier as we start our Saturday. Temperatures cool 60 degrees, much cooler when you have some wind, but we're going to get into the mid 70s Saturday afternoon. High pressure moves in for Saturday night, and that's going to allow for the chilliest air. We'll be in the upper 40s, mid to upper 40s. And then as we move into Sunday, we're looking at a pretty nice day. Sunshine early, but clouds coming in late. Here's the latest Euro model showing an area of low pressure that's going to be developing in Texas on Monday. Showers and storms likely developing sometime on Monday. Euro's leaning toward Monday afternoon and evening. I think that's a pretty good call at this point. And maybe some strong storms and some brief locally heavy downpours, but this system moves out quickly, and in its wake, a nice chill coming in as we head toward Thanksgiving morning. Could see upper 30s, lower 40s in Acadiana come Thursday morning, and Thursday afternoon we'll go with upper 50s to near 60 for a high. So nice, cool, chilly, winter-like weather on the way for Thanksgiving. As we head into Black Friday, it looks like temperatures will moderate, but it'll be chilly if you're waiting on lines pre-dawn hours on Friday, next Friday. As for the Storm Prediction Center, this is 5 days out. They already have a good part of Acadiana hatched in for a slight risk of severe storms. It may be a marginal to slight risk. We'll see how it plays out. We're still 5 days away. Bottom line, though, we'll have to be on the lookout for maybe some storms Monday night that could produce damaging winds. So it looks like we have a little work ahead of us in the weather lab as we head into early Monday. Also new today is potential tropical cyclone number 22. It could become a tropical storm. If so, the name will be Vince, and this one is going to impact Jamaica, portions of Cuba, and Haiti, and the southeastern Bahamas, with the possibility of tropical storm conditions down the line as we head into the weekend and early next week. No concern of ours. The only concern will be visibility with the mist and drizzle. Sometimes we'll go down to about a 2-mile visibility, so keep that in mind. Temperature-wise, we don't change a whole lot overnight tonight in the low to mid 60s, and then for tomorrow afternoon we get into the 70s. The numbers are lagging here, so we'll just move on. So sometimes the computer just doesn't want to work on time. 61 the overnight low with seasonably mild temperatures overall. Our normal low this time of year should be about 50. Again, some lower visibility due to some patchy mist out there. And then tomorrow, mid 70s, mostly cloudy skies, but again, some breaks in the clouds. And notice they're moving from west to east, so that means the models thinking that mostly the high clouds that we're going to see tomorrow. So it should be a little brighter Friday as compared to today and the last several days. The weekend looking good, mostly sunny skies. We'll be watching for that rocket launch early Saturday. Here come the storms on Monday, 70% for right now. We're going to have to fine-tune that. And then a nice cool Thanksgiving with maybe some rain on the back end of the Thanksgiving weekend. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.